Here is how to convert a PDF into JPG image completely for free.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video.
This is useful when you need individual pages as an image instead of a document. So let's do it. Go to this website, link in the description or in the pinned comment below. Click PDF to JPG. Upload your PDF. Choose the whole pages or extract image only. Click Convert to JPG. Download your images. That's it. In the next video, we'll learn how to e-sign a PDF completely for free.